Z.
Oh, and yeah, that was amazing.
We met on set. She's a makeup artist.
I am. I trained at the makeup designery in Burbank. I trained for 6 months. I'm a certified, I'm licensed. Please hire me, because I can show up like this, or I can show up like this. But either way, please hire me. I'm super reliable.
If you need a makeup artist and you're in like the California area, her details will be down below.
I love her face. The minute I saw her, I knew you were crew, but I was like, I couldn't tell what part of the crew. I like her. I want to have lunch with her.
We're set wives.
Yes, we wouldn't have survived it without her. That was crazy. It was awesome though. I had a great time with it. So I've been wanting to paint her face ever since I met her, and I've been watching like an excessive amount of America's Next Top Model recently, and I want to do like a high fashion, like kind of bleached brows, like red, like ruby slut lip. You're all moisturized.
I'm all moisturized
as always. That's super important. Kids, do not apply makeup without moisturizing. This is the Fenty Beauty primer. It was like, I don't know, 30 something bucks, but it's definitely worth it because every time I use it, any product I use on top of it stays forever.
I love the smell.
It smells so good. I actually usually apply with my fingers, but I wanted to show like you can apply it with a brush, apply with anything, and it's super smooth. It's mostly important to get it in like the T-zone. For those you don't know what that is, it's this little area right here.
So you have this cup here. Is this for like used brushes?
Yes! It keeps it super organized. Right now I took Bare Minerals Bare Pro Foundation, mostly because it's like, it's a little lighter than your skin tone, and I want your brows to really like seem lighter than your skin. So I actually just want to see if this one will work out. Hard Candy is a brand that, it's a trend brand. So basically what that means is if there's a trend, they will
make on that.
Yeah, they'll make a product based off of it. So they have a setting spray, and they're like super affordable. They're only at Walmart. Ooh. And like, if you want like that's what I have on my face right now, like the glitters and stuff like that, or Hard Candy. It's not like they last forever, or like, oh sorry,
you're good,
or like super special, but like it's affordable and the colors are cute, and like you can do a lot with them. If you're practicing, don't stress about the quality of the products. Like just do it. Also, if this doesn't work, we can totally just start the fuck over. Like I'm not.
I don't care.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Me neither. We're gonna actually try this. I'm just shaping out the brow with the concealer. I don't know how I feel about this. I actually think it looks cute from the camera. Like, cause I think you look hella Asian. This is the Hourglass foundation. I'm just gonna like put a little right here.
So she's using this to blend.
So if you're trying to, especially for special effects, like you're trying to like separate colors out, yeah, these are like, this is really good, especially if you're like doing touch-ups on set. I haven't been looking for like acting gigs because I actually feel kind of discouraged from doing them ever since I went bald. I went bald my 3rd month here, like a little bit after my birthday.
When's your birthday?
March 26th. No, I shaved it, and like when I shaved it—
How long was it before you shaved it?
Oh honey, I have, oh my God, so many pictures. Hold up.
Oh my God, look, she's an artist.
Isn't that cute? I had to order from China because I just got an iPhone.
Oh my God, baby!
I love hair.
You're so inspiring.
What makes you say that?
You live life without needing to be part of the flock.
I had the fortune of being raised by a family that like made it clear that I didn't have to do what anyone else was doing. Like my mom is a out and proud lesbian, you know, and like she realized that after having married a man and having me. The culture right here is way more passive than on the East Coast, which isn't a bad thing. In New York, they say fuck you and they mean hello, and out here they say hello and they mean fuck you. If I was doing like eye makeup on her, like more of it, I would do her eyes before I did her concealer and foundation or whatever. When I do eyeshadow, I put like an eye primer usually, and then like I won't powder like the concealer or the primer that I put over it because I just feel like it lasts longer and it looks like a little softer.
Why did you decide to shave your head?
People were like washing my hair, they were putting bald caps on me, prosthetics, and like it got to this point where after the hair class and I think after the business class, I just cut it all off. It was a financial and a emotional decision. This is the Jeffree Star Blood Sugar palette. So first, I hadn't got my ends cut in like 2 years. So I cut my own ends and it looked ridiculous. Shaved it all down. I hated it.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19?
Yeah.
I'm 10.
I thought you knew that.
I thought you were like 21.
Yeah, everyone says that. One person thought I was 33 and I was like,
You're 19?
yeah.
Oh, you're a baby. I've always
I'm
in
a
my head
fetus, dude.
thought you were like my little like big sister that I could depend on.
The cast kept inviting me out to the bars and I'm like, dude. No, yeah, it was a really emotional thing cutting off my hair. I actually cried when I literally like took scissors and like I was just staring at myself in the mirror. My roommate was there. She like had her hand on my back. Like, it's all right, you got it. Are you comfortable with makeup under your eye? Yeah. Okay, look up. So she doesn't own this palette, so I'm gonna use it on her. I've been dying to use these colors on you actually. It's really wild. Yeah. You are so funny. Wait, you said you shaved your head before?
That was like when I was like 11.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
And it was
oh,
like
and
a
you
forced
kept being mistaken for a boy. You hated that.
I hated that.
I remember that now. Okay. I don't have any brush cleaner, shampoo, and hot water.
I'm just very nervous about going bald.
Well, it's fascinating because like I don't actually know a lot of people that shave their head on purpose unless they're like older men in their 50s. I don't know, like it's striking because people don't know how to deal with it because they get super intimidated.
And I feel like that's part of the reason I want to go bald. I want to shock people. I want to make them uncomfortable.
And especially like a pretty Asian chick, bald. Fuck yeah.
That's you bald?
That's me bald, yeah. I shaved my head.
Oh my god, wait, come over here.
Oh my god! When was this?
Junior year.
You're so hot. Dude, yeah,
my
it really brings out
God.
your features.
Thank
You
you.
look sick.
Thank you. Just looking at me one night, she was like, "Can I shave your head?" It was longer than this. It was like here.
Oh my god.
And I was like, "Yeah, sure, let's do it tomorrow."
But yeah,
God.
that was a change for
Yeah.
you. They're natural.
Oh my god, I love it. But is that cheating? Is that like hiding your bald head?
No, I had it like set back, like
Yeah.
a bit, so like it stuck out in the
Well,
front.
there's nothing wrong with wearing a hat if you're bald. Like, it's not a
Yeah, it's
secret. You're just wearing a hat. When you take it off, there's like, oh, there really is no hair under that. That's dope.
It was mostly just like my head is cold.
Yes. So that was what I was excited for, to be able to wear hats and not pay for taking a shower was a treat.
Yeah.
That was a weird transition.
Oh yeah, the first time cause like I had such long hair.
I was scrubbing
And
for
I was
it.
just like, wait, what?
Yep.
Wait, what?
Yep.
It's like when I put on a shirt, like I have to flip my hair up.
Yup.
And so
Yes.
I go and do, and it was just like, oh, right, yeah, I shaved my head.
Yeah, that was the craziest because like 90% of my showers was washing my hair.
Right.
So I was just like, I'd get in there and I'd like, well, scrub, and then like, time to put the, no, I don't.
Yeah.
And then you're
No.
done.
Yeah.
But like almost no one noticed when I went to class. They just thought I was a new person. So my teacher, when I came in, he was like, "Where's Emma?"
Shut up.
And I'm like,
Shut
right here.
up.
He's like, "Oh, did you do something different with your hair?" And I'm like, yes. I had a really good experience with it. Like my parents thought it was super cool.
Fuck
Like
yeah.
my sister did.
Look down. Yep. I feel good.
Yeah.
This is the Jeffree Star King Tut highlighter palette. Because we're doing pink, I'm gonna pick this color right here. This is Legendary. And I just do a little bit on my fan brush. And then I wet it because I feel like it applies better. So 1, 2, 3. And then turn your face a little bit.
I love the way like a wet brush feels.
It feels so nice. And like you can see that, right? Good practice brushes are I think they're called Final Touch, and they're sold at Target. They are soft and they last for a while actually. Super soft, super cute. And then because I'm a sucker for nose highlight,
I love nose highlights. Snatch that.
people like to use big brushes when they do nose highlight. I don't know why, because it's all about.
Dude, I'm gonna look back at this and learn so much.
So I'm gonna take a little bit of this, I'm gonna apply it here. I'm a sucker for a cupid's bow. The perimeter of the lip is important. This is Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin. So when I apply, I don't like applying with the wand because you can actually get like 3, 4, 5 uses out of the wand. Like if you it's so much product on a little bit.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna take a little bit of argan oil. Our little friend here can get it at Trader Joe's or beauty store. Primes the lips. Like people talk a lot about lip scrubs and blah blah blah, but like you can actually just get this and use it for your hair and for your makeup. This color is so gorgeous on you. Soft, and yeah, it's just a little bit in the center. 1, 2, 3. And aside from one of the lashes kind of being a little bit oddly placed, which is my fault, you're good to go, girl.
Should I do like a little, like,
do the thing.
you know?
that we
It's
do.
like,
You hold me back, will never last. Keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started. You left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah, this love hurts. Keep talking all your shit. Oh, keep talking all your shit, baby.
so this is it.
Thank
Thank you.